Hello students. So in last class we have discussed about exercise 21b first question. So from this video we will continue for next questions. So question number 2. What does question number 2 says? If x cos a plus y sin a will be equal to m and x sin a minus y cos a is equal to n, then we need to show that x square plus y square is equal to m square plus n square. So first you need to observe that what is the given thing m they have given. So first proof. So the given thing is m. What is m? X cos a plus y sin a. So what we need to show that m square plus n square is equal to x square plus y square, right? So for that I will apply square on both sides. Okay, apply squaring on both sides. Then what we get? M square is equal to x cos a plus y sin a whole square. So then m square is equal to x square cos square a plus y square sin square a plus 2 cos a into sin a into xy. So I will write like this. Similarly, what is the given n? What is the value of n they have given? So n is equal to x sin a minus y cos a. So this is the given value of n. So here also I will apply squaring on both sides. So then what we get? So n square is equal to x sin a minus y cos a whole square. Then n square is equal to x square sin square a plus y square cos square a minus 2 xy sin a into cos a. So this I will call this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. Now we will consider, or let us add equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. So then what we will get? So if we add equation number 1 and equation number 2, what we get? So m square plus n square is equal to, so what we write? X square cos square a plus y square sin square a plus 2 cos a into sin a into xy plus, so here we are adding these terms, x square cos square a plus y square sin square a, sorry, y square cos square a. So you have done wrong here, right? So here, so you adding second equation, x square sin square a plus y square cos square a minus 2 xy cos a into sin a or sin a into cos a, both are one and the same. So here plus cos 2a sin a xy minus 2 xy cos a sin a get cancelled, the remaining thing. So observe here, so here can we take x square as common? So what we get? Cos square a plus sin square a. Similarly, if we take y square common from this term, then what we get? Y square into sin square a plus cos square a. So by using identity we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, right? So apply that here, x square into 1. So here what we have? M square plus n square, x square into 1 plus y square into 1. So m square plus n square is equal to x square plus y square. So that is what you need. So that is what we have shown, right? Question number 3. What we need to show that if m is equal to a secant a plus b tan a and n is equal to a tan a plus b secant a, then we need to show that m square minus n square is equal to a square minus b square. So what we need to show that? So now here we have the value of m and n. So similarly as done in last problem, so m is equal to a secant a plus b tan a. So if we square on both sides, what we get? So if we squaring on both sides, m square will be equal to a square secant square a plus b square tan square a plus 2 into secant a, 2 into ab secant a tan a. Now if n is equal to, so this is called as equation number 1. So n is equal to what we have, a into tan a plus b into secant a. Then for this also, if we squaring on both sides, what we get, n square is equal to a square tan square a plus b square secant square a plus 2 into ab into tan a secant a, right? So now what we need to do, so we need to subtract m square in n square, right? For that I will subtract, so equation 1 minus equation 2. Now what we get, m square minus n square is equal to, so a square secant square a plus b square tan square a will be as it is, plus 2ab secant a into tan a, that will be also as it is, minus of a square tan square a plus b square secant square a plus 2ab into tan a into secant a. So what we need to do is, here a square secant square a plus b square tan square a plus 2ab secant a into tan a won't get changed. Here the symbol get changes, minus into plus minus a square tan square a plus into minus minus b square secant square a. Similarly minus into plus minus minus 2ab tan a into secant a. Here plus 2ab secant a tan a minus 2ab secant a tan a get cancelled. The remaining thing is a square into secant square a plus b square into tan square a minus a square into tan square a plus b square into secant square. Sorry, here minus, right? So if we take a square common, then what we get, a square into secant square a minus tan square a. So similarly here, if we take b square common, then the remaining thing is tan square a minus secant square a. So if we take minus common in that term, so before that I will say 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a, right? So if we want this equation, then 1 is equal to secant square a minus tan square a, right? So here what we get, a square into 1. So if we take minus common here, then we get minus b square into secant square a minus tan square a. So then a square into 1 minus b square into 1. So here what we get, a square minus b square. So this is our result, that is m square minus n square is equal to a square minus b square. So that is what we need to show, that m square minus n square is equal to a square minus b square. So that is what we have shown, m square minus n square is equal to a square minus b square. Question number 4. If x is equal to r sin a cos b, y is equal to r sin a sin b, and z is equal to r cos a, then we need to show that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. We need to show this. We need to show that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. How to show this? So now, so I will consider LHS. LHS is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. We have the separate values of x, y, z. So we will substitute it here. So r sin a cos a whole square, sin a cos b whole square, plus what is the value of y, r sin a sin b whole square, plus what is the value of z, r cos a whole square. So now r square sin square a cos square b plus r square sin square a sin square b plus r square cos square a. Got it? So if we take common r square from all these terms, then what we get? Sin square a cos square b plus sin square a sin square b plus cos square a. Got it? So now in next step, so if we observe here, what we have here, sin square a is there. So if we take common, what we get? Sin square a taken as common, then the remaining thing is cos square b plus sin square b plus cos square a is there. Got it? So now r square into sin square a into 1 plus cos square a. So why it is 1? So we know that the identity cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. So by this identity we are substituting 1 here. Similarly, sin square a plus cos square a, we will get it as 1. This is equal to r square into 1. The result is r square. That is what we need to show, that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Here we have taken x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. This is your RHS. Hence proved. Question number 5. If sin a plus cos a is equal to m and secant a plus cosecant a is equal to n, then we need to show that n into m square minus 1 is equal to 2m. So how to show this? So proof. What are the values? First we will consider LHS. Okay, no? So LHS is equal to n into m square minus 1. So substitute the value of n and m here. So what we get? So this will be equal to n. What is the value of n? So secant a plus cosecant a. This is the value of n. Similarly, what is the value of m here? So m is equal to sin a plus cos a. So here we have square, so I am taking square. So minus 1 is there, minus 1 as it is. So now secant a plus cosecant a, we will take it as it is. Before that we will solve this. What we will solve? So a plus b whole square formula. So sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a into cos a minus 1 is there. So now, so sin square a plus cos square a becomes 1. So secant a plus cosecant a to 1 plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1. So here plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. The remaining thing is secant a plus cosecant a into 2 sin a cos a. So we need to multiply secant a to this term. So what we get? 2 into sin a into cos a into 1 into secant a. So first we will multiply, then we will convert it. So then what we can write? So 2 sin a cos a into cosecant a, right? So here in both the terms we have 2 as common. Then what we can write? So sin a into cos a, secant a can be written as 1 dividing by cos a plus sin a into cos a to 1 dividing by sin a we can write, right? So here sin a and sin a get cancelled, cos a and cos a get cancelled. The remaining thing is 2 into sin a plus cos a. So observe here, sin a plus cos a can be changed as, sin a plus cos a can be changed as m. So that is what we are writing here. 2 into sin a plus cos a means m. So this is your RHS. So that is what you need to show. Now question number 6. So same as question number 4. What is the question number 6 here? If x is equal to r cos a cos b, y is equal to r cos a sin b, and z is equal to r sin a. So we need to show that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. So here consider LHS. So proof we are doing, consider LHS. LHS is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So that will be, what is the x square? Sorry, x, what is the value of x? R into cos a cos b. So whole square is there. So square. Y means r cos a sin b. So that is whole square. Plus z square means r sin a whole square. So now r square cos square a cos square b plus r square cos square a sin square b plus r square sin square a, right? So then what we get? R square common. So cos square a cos square b plus cos square a sin square b plus sin square a. So if we take cos square a and cos square a as common, so r square will be equal to cos square a into cos square b plus sin square b plus sin square a is there. So now that will be equal to r square into cos square a into 1 plus sin square a. So using which identity? Using sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 identity we are showing this. So now r square into 1 we get. Similarly, cos square a plus sin square a will be equal to 1. So then r square. So this is your RHS. So that is what we need to show. Now question number 7. So what does question number 7 says that if cos A dividing by cos B is equal to m and cos A dividing by cos B is equal to n, we need to show that m square plus n square is equal to cos square B, that is equal to n square. So how to show this? Proof. So consider LHS. LHS is equal to m square plus n square into cos square B. So this is your LHS. So now what is the value of m? So m is cos A dividing by cos B. So here square is the square plus n square means cos A dividing by sin B. So here square is the square. So into cos square B is there. So while solving we will carry this. So here cos square A dividing by cos square B plus cos square A dividing by sin square B will be there. So outside cos square B is as it is. So now if we cross multiply, so then what we get? Cos square A plus cos square A into sin square B plus if we cross multiply this, we get cos square A into cos square B whole dividing by cos square B into sin square B. So into cos square B. So here cos square B get cancelled. Then the remaining is, so cos square A into sin square B dividing by sin square B plus cos square A into cos square B dividing by sin square B, right? Or we can take like this. So here I will take like this. So sin square B will be as it is. So if we take cos square A common, then what we get? So cos square A, if we take common, then remaining will be sin square B plus cos square B whole dividing by sin square B, right? So then, so cos square A dividing by sin square B will be there into 1 becomes. So how it is? So sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Using this identity, so this becomes 1. So now observe here cos A dividing by sin A whole square. Is it right? So what is the value of this? So cos A dividing by sin B is equal to n. So what we have here? Cos A dividing by sin A. So this is the value of n. So square is the square. So n square. So this is your RHS. So by this problem we are ending with second exercise, that is 21B. So we will continue in next video with next concepts. Thank you.